Yo, kamusta? It's your boy Kiru. Back at it again with some yapping session na naman. And, um, ano bang i-yap ko today? It's been a while ever since na nakapag-yap ulit ako sa totoo lang after nung graduation ko. Bala ko sana magpasalamat sa mga taong naging parte ng college life ko. Nakasulat lang yun sa notebook ko kasi nung nakaraan, days before my graduation, nag-journal talaga ako, nagsulat ako para sa mga taong naging parte nga ng college journey ko. And yung mga andun is yung mga specific na tao. Kaso, yun, tinamad ako. Hindi ako nakapag-record about it. And kasi hindi kasi ako sanay na humawak ng mic, mag-record at magsalita sa harap ng camera na may script. And kapag nag talaga ako, usually wala akong script. And hindi ako sanay na magbasa ng mga sinulat ko sa journal ko. Kaya ayun, hindi ako nakapag-post and wala na, hindi na ako nakapag-record about it. Pero I've been thinking if, I'm thinking if ipopost ko ba siya sa sa profile ko sa Facebook or sa page ko. Hindi ko lang alam. But, or maybe I should just message them directly gamit yung kumbaga, i-message ko na lang sila directly. Yeah, parang yung sinulat ko doon sa journal ko, parang i-send ko na lang sa kanila through, I don't know, through direct message. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, anyways, it's been a while. It's already, you know, it's been already a week after nung graduation, and so far, how do I feel? Um, I don't know. Hindi ko alam, sa totoo lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko right now, but I think one thing's for sure na nararamdaman ko. And yeah, hindi naman ako pressured kasi hindi naman ako pinipressure ng mga parents ko. Thankful ako sa part na yun kasi they're not that type of a person or of a parent na pinipressure nila ako na maghanap kaagad ako ng trabaho. But still, andun pa rin yung pressure for myself na dapat, dapat alam ko na kaagad yung mga susunod kong step. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ko pa alam. And natatawa ako kasi akala ko after I graduate, alam ko na lahat ang dapat kong gawin. Kasi during my college days, nung mga times na nag-school pa ako, hindi ko muna siya iniisip yung kung ano yung gagawin ko after graduation. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, um, saan na yan? Saan na yan? Kasi eventually may figure out mo din naman yan. Which is, I think, totoo naman siguro. Which is, oo, may figure out ko din naman talaga kung ano yung mga dapat kong gawin or kung ano yung mga gusto kong gawin after graduation ngayon. Pero, I mean, sa mga susunod na buwan at in the future. Pero sa ngayon, I don't know, hindi ko pa alam, sa totoo lang. And, ang dami nagtatanong, sa totoo lang. Ang dami nagtatanong. Um, the people around me keeps on asking, what am I gonna do next? What's the plan after graduation? Anong balak mo? Saan ka na after graduation? And my answer would be the same. Hindi ko pa alam. And I don't know. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga alam, man. I swear. Pero, one thing's for sure. Alam ko na gusto kong mag-succeed in life. Pero, I don't know, bro. Like, kapag tinatanong ako ng mga tao about it, binibiro ko na lang na kesyo, di, magpo-vlog na lang ako after graduation. Hindi. Tatambay muna ako, professional tambay. Hindi. Ano muna, gonna focus on myself muna. Yara, yara, yara. You know what I'm saying? But, sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga alam. And I think okay lang din naman yun na hindi ko pa alam right now. Pero may part sa akin na parang yun nga, matagal ko na 'to na-fi-feel actually. May part sa akin na naiinggit, hindi naman sa inggit in a bad way, pero may part sa akin na naiinggit ako sa iba kong ka-batch na na-figure out na nila kaagad yung mga dapat nilang gawin after graduation, which is good for them. But on my case, hindi ko pa talaga alam sa totoo lang. But I don't know, um, kagabi, I just wanna share something. Kagabi, galing kami ng, kagabi nanood kami ng graduation sa BU. Yeah, sa Bicol University. And nanood kami kasi graduate nanood ka kagabi nanood kami ng graduation sa Bicol University. And ang ganda nung speech nung summa cum laude dun, sa totoo lang. It really made my eyes, it made me teary-eyed. It made me reflect on a lot of things. Specifically, yun nga, sa tanong na, what comes after graduation? And natakal niya yun ng maayos, natakal niya yun ng sobrang solid. Wala akong natandaan sa mga sinabi niya, pero yung thought lang yung pinaka-natatandaan ko kasi, you know, I feel like right now, the things that I'm feeling, it's also the same nung the first time na nag-college ako. Or nung mga times na first time ko palang tutungtong sa pamantasan na pinag-eskwelahan ko. Like, yung mga bagay na nararamdaman ko right now, parehas lang siya ng naramdaman ko during my first year sa college. Especially during my first day of school sa college. Kasi during that time, you know, I am entering a new environment, a new chapter of my life. The same way as right now. The same way na, the same way kung paano ako tumutungtong ulit paunti-unti sa bagong yugto ng buhay ko. Which is ito, yung totoong buhay. And may sinabi siya dun na eventually, you're gonna figure it out. Just give it a time. Ewan ko kung siya ba nagsabi nun o si Mayor Lenny. Kasi si Mayor Lenny kasi yung speaker kagabi and sobrang ganda din ng speech ni um ni Attorney Lenny. I swear to God, sobrang ganda. Pero yun nga, going back, it's the same. Kasi during that time, di ko pa rin naman alam kung ano yung mga andyan for me. Or hindi ko pa rin naman alam that time kung ano yung mangyayari sa akin, kung ano ba yung mai-o-offer sa'kin ng buhay during my college days, 'di ba? It's the same way as, right now. And yun din ang kagandahan ng buhay, I think. Yun din yung maganda sa buhay. Life is beautiful because of that. Bakit? Kasi no matter kahit ano, kahit anong bagay man yung pinagdadaanan mo right now, kahit, um, yes, right now you feel lost. Yes, right now hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka papatungo, kung saan ka patungo. But somehow and someday, eventually, you're gonna figure it out. Just give yourself a little bit more time. Little bit more time. May sense ba yun? Just give yourself time and just give yourself, you know, just be present with yourself. And things would go on your way eventually. Although sometimes things wouldn't go on your way or hindi talaga sasakto or hindi sasang-ayon sa'yo minsan ng panahon, but, you know, ang kagandahan sa buhay kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, eventually you're gonna figure it out. Sa totoo lang, just like just like what I did, just like what you did, right? For sure, for sure marami ka ng pinagdaanan sa buhay na sa tingin mo hindi mo na malalagpasan, right? Mga problema na akala mo walang solusyon, mga sitwasyon na akala mo hindi mo na maaalisan, yet you are here, right? Pasasaan at pasasaan pa na mai-figure out mo din lahat, promise. Mai-figure out din natin lahat, and I don't know, maybe hindi naman kailangan lahat i-figure out. Siguro yun din. Siguro hindi mo rin kailangan talaga i-figure out lahat. You just have to live for the hope of it all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, sa totoo lang, I am excited and afraid at the same time. Kasi, yun nga, yung tanong na what comes after next. And I don't know. I think all I can do right now is to show up and say my favorite phrase, which is show me how good it can get. And I don't know, with that, maybe, sana, di ba? Sana marating ko yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay at sana pagdating ng panahon, I can finally say I made it. Although I made it na. But yeah, I think that's it. I think this is it, yung vid na to. Eventually, I am gonna figure it out. Eventually, I am going to figure it out. Hindi man lahat, pero kahit papano, for sure, may figure out ko rin ang mga bagay-bagay. And sana, by that time, masaya pa rin ako kung nasaan ako right now. Or kung nasaan ako during that time. Pero sa ngayon, I'm just gonna be present with myself and I am just gonna show up every day despite of the unknown, despite of not knowing what comes after next. I am gonna show up and I am gonna say my favorite phrase again, which is show me how good it can get. Yun lang. Peace.